Good morning, everyone. It's a beautiful morning here on the Space Coast. I'm where the Space Coast meets the Treasure Coast, somewhere in Grant, Valcaria, Florida. It is a beautiful day on the Indian River, as you can see outside. The sun is shining. There's nary a cloud in the sky. The breeze is light. I dare say the fish might be biting, but I won't know anything about that till tomorrow. And, well, we can expect this through much of the weekend. Tomorrow's going to be another gorgeous day. It's going to be a little on the warm side in the upper 70s. If you're in South Florida, it's probably going to hit the upper, well, not upper, it'll be in the lower 80s. Now, Sunday is going to be a toss-up, but it's going to be a pretty morning. We're going to have a front come through, so it's going to get hot. It'll hit the mid-80s. And depending on where you are in Florida, early afternoon to evening, a front will come through, dropping some rain. Probably see some high winds like we saw earlier this week. And then the rest of the week should be fairly mild. We're probably not expecting a cold front till next weekend. So expect temperatures anywhere from the lower 80s to upper 70s, depending on where you are in the state. I also want to remind you that there is a 99% chance that a snowbird's going to screw up your drive this week. Unfortunately, it's a spring break season and snowbird season. So these folks are going to make sure to screw up your drive. They like to camp the left lane. They like to go slow, and frankly, they don't care because they're retired and they don't have anywhere else better to be. So for those of us who actually have someplace to be, just watch out for them, plan ahead, and just know that you're going to have to pass them on the right because they're not leaving that left lane for anything. The other thing I need to warn you about, and you may have seen this last night, is falling space debris. We had a nice little rocket explosion over Stewart yesterday. I saw the rocket come over, I thought it was a rocket, but I'm like, it was coming from the wrong direction, not realizing that Elon Musk had attacked Florida from Texas. I know he's saying it's a failed launch. I think this was just really the first step in him declaring war. However, if I am wrong, and it really was an issue with his rocket, I'm going to suggest that he starts the Department of Rocket Control Science. He needs dorks. Dorks would actually help him make sure that his rockets don't blow up. Dorks would make sure that my state doesn't have to worry about falling debris. Dorks would make sure that he makes money. So if you know any dorks, please make sure that Elon Musk knows who they are. Send him all the dorks you know, because he needs all the dorks he can get. And on that note, folks, I just want to thank my super fans real quick, John, Johnny, Michelle, and Danny. I want to thank you guys for continuing to encourage me to be an amateur meteorologist. It's probably the only thing I'm good at. And I'll continue to make these videos. Join me at FP Weather at YouTube, where you'll see a twice weekly forecast. I issue these on Fridays and Tuesdays. And you'll see what's going on in here in Florida. Anybody else, if I just happen to do a forecast for you, you're lucky. Or you paid me, one or the other. I can be bought. And as always, the only weather that should matter to you is the weather you can see from your own front porch. And if you're not in Florida right now, well, your weather sucks. Have a great day.